All right, ladies and gentlemen, greetings everyone, and welcome back to Authentic Media. So let's talk about InterLink in this video and how to get started. So I'm going to be dropping the link in the description section and comment section of this particular video, and I'll also drop our code right there. So all you have to do is to click the link and head straight to your app store. Probably if you are using Android, you go straight to your Google Play Store. If you are using iOS, you go straight to your Apple store. All right. So once you tap on the link, automatically it will take you to your store to download the app. Then you first of all download the InterLink app. After downloading it, you open it. This is how it is going to look. All right. This is the starting point. Then you tap on Get Started. Right. Then you click on sign up because you have not joined already. But if you have already joined, all you have to do is just to go ahead and log in, right? But now you want to sign up because you have not joined already. So you click on sign up right here. So once you tap on sign up, they will now ask create your InterLink ID. And the thing right here is that you will try many times and they will tell you that the code that you are creating has already been used. So the easiest and best way to go about it is just for you to tap on this dice, this thing that looks like dice, so that they will generate a code for you. You understand? For them to generate a code for you. So you tap on it this way. All right. So hope you guys are seeing they've already generated a code for me. So all you have to do is just to long press the code and copy it. You can see select all, copy it and save it somewhere that you're not going to forget, because this is your ID. You guys can see your InterLink ID. If you miss it, you have already missed your account. So after doing that, the next thing is for you to hit on continue. Okay, then you tap on continue and they say you should enter your passcode. So you are requested to create a 6-digit passcode that you know you are not going to forget. You understand? That you know you are not going to forget, a kind of. So let me just walk you guys through. Let me just do something like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, then you click on continue. So this is just for tutorial sake. I already have accounts on InterLink, but I just want to walk you guys through because a lot of people are finding it difficult. So you repeat the same thing, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then you click on verify your human capture, right? Then you click on continue with ID registration. So now you choose anyone that you want to go with. Either you go with Gmail, with Apple, depending on your preference, or with Facebook, or with Telegram. But me, I prefer this Gmail, and that is where the one I use. So you click on sign up with Gmail. Okay, then you guys can see they are generating my account now. So now they ask you to choose the email address that you want to use to farm InterLink. That is for those of you guys that have not joined the radio. Like I said, I've already joined. So you click on any email address that you want to use to continue, and you wait for them to validate it. Okay, you can see verification failed. Email is already in use. So I just wanted to do this so that you guys will see it. So it has already failed because I just tap on the same email that I am already using on InterLink. So automatically in your own case, if you choose the email that you want to use, then they will send a code to that email because it's not yet on InterLink. They will send a code on that email and they will ask you to come and enter it, and automatically you are going to be getting straight into your account. But there's no point for me creating two accounts. All right, so this is just how to go about it, first thing first. So now let me go back and log into my account so that we can proceed from there. So if I click on login, you can see my recent login details, my ID and everything. Then I'll just tap on login automatically. Then I will enter my account. Then I'll confirm my passcode. Then I'll enter with my Gmail. Yeah, so I'll choose the same email address that I use. Automatically, this is how your interface is going to look after you are done signing up. All right, so this is how your interface is going to look. So you will see the total number of ITLG you have, which is the point of IT of InterLink, because this ITLG is what will be converted into the main ITL, which is InterLink token. Okay, so that is it. So all you have to do is just to come right here and mine every 4 hours. Here that they wrote mine ITLG to secure the human network, right? So you just tap on mine right here. Then they will display an advertisement. Then you close the advertisement and you click on mine ITLG. All right, so Beautiful. You can see mining successful. Congratulations, you have successfully mined 20 ITLG. Then you done it right here, and wait till the next 4 hours so that this mining cycle will complete. So this particular one is 1 hour plus for it to complete, but normal time for it to round is 4 hours. So whether you see 4 hours or 1 hour, you just have to wait for it. Once it's done, you come back and continue your mining again. Hope you guys are seeing it. Okay, you can see mine ITLG every 4 hours to secure the human network and earn rewards for human node. So it's differs. All right, so just 4 hours ITLG arriving in your wallet. So this is just how you basically mine. Okay, this is how you basically mine. Then there's something that you have to do immediately you join this project. You have to come back to your first dashboard, right? To your home dashboard right here. Like this, you are already in your home dashboard. Then you click on your profile right here. I'm going to be dropping our code in the description section and comment section of this particular video. With that particular code, you are going to be getting 1000 ITLG that will boost your hash and also increase your mining. So all you have to do is to come to your profile right here. After copying the code that I drop in the description section and comment section of this particular video, you click on your profile this way. Then you come to this one that says referrals, invite friends and earn rewards. So you tap on it this way. Then you come to this particular one that says human hash. Change it to human hash. Tap on human hash, then scroll down and paste that particular code right here. Paste that code right here, our own code. Like I said, I'll still drop it in the description section and comment section of this particular video. After pasting it, then you scroll down. Okay, automatically once you paste it, they are going to be triggering it. You can see enter code 0.5 HHP. You receive 0.5 human power from this referral code because I've already done that. So once you just paste our code, automatically they are going to validate it for you and give you 1000 ITLG and also increase your mining power with 0.5%, a kind of. So do well to make sure you do that. Do well to make sure you do that. It's for your own advantage, honestly. Then this is where you still also get your referral link. Hope you guys saw how I did it because some people don't really know how to get their referral link. So you still come to your profile right here. That is the easiest way. Tap on your profile, then tap on referral. That is referral, invite friends and then you tap on it. Then you scroll up, then you see your own invite link. Okay, you will see your own referral link and your own referral code. So you just have to copy your own and tell anybody that you are bringing to InterLink to do the same. All right, as you have already entered our own code in our in the human hash section right here. Anybody that you want to introduce into InterLink, also copy your own code and give the person. After giving them the link to download the app, still copy your own code to give them so that they will repeat the same process and get 1000 ITLG plus 0.5 boost on their mining, and also you will still get your own boost from it. Okay, so that is just basically that. And after that, you can come right here and create your InterLink wallet. So you just have to toggle over to wallet right here and create your wallet. So that is for those of you guys that have not created wallet. So automatically I've already created my wallet. That's why it's showing me to enter. So that is just basically that, and I will unlock it. So this is how the InterLink wallet looks like. Okay, I don't have anything right here. But this is how it looks like. This is where your migration will be going to. You can see send, receive, stake and more. So here is the native token of InterLink, which is ITL. Okay, so what we are mining right now is ITLG. Then when staking starts, your ITLG will be converted into ITL, which is the native token. And this particular crypto coin is already trading over $1.5, $2, $3, $4 all over the world on OTC markets, that is over the counter trade, and black markets in Nigeria now is selling over 2,000 naira per one ITL, which is one InterLink token. So it is very, very massive, guys. It is very, very massive. So if you know you are not here, get started immediately after watching this video and start mining every 4 hours. So I wish us all the best in this particular project, and also make sure you stick to our channel so that you don't miss any updates whenever we drop it. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in our next video. Bye for now.